Hi everyone, my name is Chaitanya. I work as a trainer in DURGASOFT and I will train you on the complete cloud computing and DevOps. I am having an experience of 13 plus years of real-time experience as well as a trainer. Now while coming back to the technologies that I am going to train you on is completely Linux, AWS and DevOps. Now these sessions will be started from 9th of May at 9 a.m. and the course duration will be around 2 to 3 months depending upon the content that we are providing. And if you want to know about the content, please search in the description. You can have the complete content, course content available in the description. The link will be available in the description. And there is one more workshop that we are going to conduct on 8th of May, that is on Sunday. The workshop is completely about the jobs in DevOps and AWS, the cloud computing jobs, and what are the different categories of jobs that are available in the cloud computing and DevOps, and who are eligible for these learning these cloud computing and DevOps. Now eligibility criteria, in the sense, in technical terminology we can say that it's a platform independence. So many times we are having a terminology called as platform independence. In the same manner, if you see the jobs in cloud computing, it is not depending upon the languages that you are learn. It is completely independent. Anybody can learn cloud computing. Either it might be a technical person or else non-technical person. Anybody can learn cloud computing. It is very, very easy compared to the remaining languages that you are learning. And if you attend the workshop, you can gain more knowledge on what is cloud computing and who are eligible for cloud computing and all the things. And the regular classes will be commenced from Monday onwards. So hope you attend the workshop and hope you understand the criteria, present criteria or else hope you understand the scenario that is going in the IT companies, and hope you join in the classes. That's all from my end. Have a nice day. Bye.